You will be the mommy of the teddy bear. So I'll be putting here Mommy Liza. Tama po? Mommy Liza. Mommy Liza. And the date today, ang date po ngayon is November 12. 2024. Alright, so November 12, 2024, the date today, and Mommy Lisa, you have given Cookie a name, okay, 2024. So this is the birth certificate that I have written tonight.
Not for anything.
Okay po, yan po siya. The birth certificate. Alright. So Mommy Lisa, ayan. Tapos kunin natin yung teddy bear. Can Mommy Lisa please join me here po? Ayan, palapakan namin si Mommy Lisa. Ayan, Mommy Lisa, sige. Kahit ako na lang yung lalapit. Sige. Today, the birth certificate, pinangat yung mommy, yung teddy bear nito, November 12, 2024, and yung name na binigay ni Mommy at Mommy Liza, I hereby, with a sound mind and body, hereby declare on this date, November 12, 2024, this cute stuffed toy is officially named Cookie. Oh, you know what guys, I bought this from Blue Magic. Sa kabila lang pagkawin ng animal. Sa Blue Magic. So, medyo mahalin na bubo. This is just below 1,000 pesos. Ang bubo is like what, 8,000, diba? So, I bought it there. Sa Blue Magic pala, they have a name for this stuffed toy. Meron na. They already gave a name for this stuffed toy. And then what's so amazing and funny, kasi ito pong black part na to, this is the name tag of the stuffed toy. Do you want to know what's the name of the stuffed toy given by Blue Magic? I'll flip this over and everybody, ladies and gentlemen, the name of the stuffed toy is none other than Cookie. Cookie. You really need a connection with the teddy bear because sabi ko, lapitan mo siya and he's calling to you and this will be for you as a souvenir. Thank you so much, Miss Liza. You want this also as well? 1.5 lang. For sale. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat, Miss Liza.